Dear students, you can download PowerPoint presentation from Play Store. Here you can write PowerPoint. There is a Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Corporation apps. Okay, you can install it on your phone, but I will use WPS for that because it's already installed in my phone. WPS Office. Okay. Here students, you will get the sign of plus. Just click on this sign. Create new document you can create from here. Word document. Presentation means PowerPoint presentation. Spreadsheet means Excel. PDF, memo, scanner, folder and upload. There are some options or features of WPS. So I will select this PPT or presentation. You can see there are so many layout designs of PPT, but I will select blank option. Here you can edit. Suppose I am going to write computer. Now if you want to edit again, first of all select this like that. So you can write my edit. Edit means you can do it. My favorite subject. Okay. Now if you want to make it large, अगर आप इसको बिग फॉन्ट में कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए, जस्ट ए प्लस साइन, here can make it. Sorry, the spelling is sub JE CT. Okay. Now if you want to make some changes, make it bold, you can make it bold. You can changes color also. There are a lot of colors you can do. Again in computer the same thing is you can make changes in above also. Okay, so now there are some other features. You can set alignment also. Okay, standard colors are there. Then here one numbering, and if you want to drag anywhere you can drag and set also. Okay, these are some features. Now I am going to add one more slide. अब यहाँ पर if you want to slide like blank with picture and title or picture and images, so here you can add some picture. how you can add picture from here, from your gallery you can add some picture. So I have selected this picture. You can set right here what you want to write. Edit happy birthday. Here you can write Ishi. It's very small font. Make it large, make it bigger. Increase font size from here. Okay. Is it clear? Now you can make changes. Happy birthday. Likewise, you can add any picture of any topic and you can write content related to that topic here also. Okay. This is your second slide. If you want to make changes in your first slide, go edit. No, computer. I will write here birthday. Okay. Birthday party. And my favorite. Here you will write whatever if you want to write. Okay, you can write here birthday party. Okay, like that you can write. So these changes you can make. आपने सेकंड बना लिया, इसके बाद भी आप फर्स्ट में जाके चेंजेस कर सकते हो. अगेन यू विल ऐड सम स्लाइड. नाउ यू कैन सेलेक्ट द लेआउट. अब हमें इस तरह से लेआउट चाहिए. यहाँ पर हम अपना टाइटल लिखेंगे, यहाँ पर हम अलग टेक्स्ट लिखेंगे, है ना. इस तरह से हम थर्ड, देन अगेन फोर्थ, लाइक कंटेंट एंड टाइटल. यहाँ पे कुछ अगर इफ ओनली वांट टू राइट या ब्लैंक, तो ऐसे भी इस तरह से वी विल डू. देन आफ्टर ऑन डन, here only 2 slides I have included. Then save birthday party. Okay.